Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic performance machines ever built, the 1965 Shelby Cobra Backdraft RT4. This modern interpretation of Carroll Shelby's legendary roadster blends classic looks with contemporary engineering, giving you vintage soul and modern muscle in one breathtaking package. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and wrap things up with why this car remains a timeless legend on and off the track. Exterior. The exterior of the Backdraft RT4 instantly commands attention. Every curve of its hand-laid fiberglass body pays tribute to the original 1965 Shelby Cobra, while subtle upgrades give it a more refined and aggressive stance. It features widened rear haunches, side-exit exhausts that growl with authority, and classic racing stripes that run down the length of the car. The stance is low, muscular, and purposeful, sitting on 18-inch knockoff-style wheels wrapped in performance rubber. The RT4 chassis also includes modern suspension geometry, giving it better handling and road stability than the original Cobra ever had. Every inch screams speed, power, and vintage beauty. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect balance between nostalgia and modern craftsmanship. The interior retains that old-school Cobra feel with minimalist design, just the essentials for pure driving. You get custom leather bucket seats with diamond stitching, a wood-rimmed steering wheel, and classic Smith-style gauges laid out on a brushed aluminum dash. Yet, beneath the retro charm, it hides modern touches like push-button start, optional air conditioning, and safety upgrades such as 4-point racing harnesses and roll hoops. Every detail reminds you that this is a driver's car built for excitement, not comfort, yet it never feels outdated. Performance. Under the hood, the Backdraft RT4 truly comes alive. Most builds are powered by Ford's legendary 5.0-liter Coyote V8 or even larger crate engines pushing 500 to 600 horsepower. Paired with a Tremec 5-speed or 6-speed manual transmission, the RT4 delivers brutal acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. The lightweight body and perfectly balanced chassis make cornering sharp and controlled, while the rear independent suspension gives it a modern sports car feel. The sound alone is intoxicating, a deep, raw roar that reminds you why the Cobra name still dominates performance conversations. In conclusion, the 1965 Shelby Cobra Backdraft RT4 is more than just a replica, it's a reborn legend. It captures the essence of 1960s racing heritage while delivering reliability, comfort, and performance fit for today's roads. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates pure, unfiltered driving, the RT4 is the ultimate expression of American muscle and craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this look at the Backdraft RT4, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic and performance car deep dives, and drop a comment below on which car you'd like us to feature next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.